Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fatima. In today's video we will be doing another wig install, but this is a little bit different. So I'm working with XrsBeauty Hair today, which I've never worked with them before. So their wigs are a little bit different. They're the type of wigs that you can wear as soon as you take it out of the box. So they're pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and actually their wig is special because it comes with a special type of lace. It's called clear lace, and basically clear lace is just a lot thinner and stretchier than most of the other laces that you would find with other wigs. I'm going to give you guys a demo of me comparing all three of those lace types. Clear lace is just a lot more stretchy and thin and just seems to be able to melt a lot better than transparent lace, like regular transparent lace, and I will show you guys how that looks. And even better than regular brown lace. Of course, regular brown lace is more so like not the lace that you want to go for. It doesn't really match your skin tone or anything like that. I'm going to use Got2b spray to spray on 3 of the laces so it can stick on my arm, and then you guys can let me know which looks better. Honestly, the clear lace does look the best. It's very thin and stretchy, like I said, and usually when I look out for good lace, those are the qualities that I look out for. Something that is thin and stretchy that makes me feel confident that it's going to like seamlessly melt into my skin. So now that I've talked about the lace, let's get into this install. As you guys can see, the hairline looks really good. Usually when I get a pre-plucked wig, I still have to go in and make some adjustments, pluck a little bit more, but I did not have to do that with this. Like, it came perfectly plucked, and I just love the way it looks. I know the install is gonna look bomb just from that alone. And then this is 200% density hair as well. All of the information will be in the description bar down below, but as you guys can see, this hair has some really nice flow to it. It is good quality hair. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to cut off all of the excess lace using an eyebrow razor. I use an eyebrow razor because it gives me more so of like a jagged line. You guys already know this. As usual, I'm going to start installing the lace from the front. So I usually divide my installs into 3 sections, so the front and then each side is a section. So I'm placing down glue. This is a Supreme Ghost Bond. It's just a little bit stronger than regular Ghost Bond, and I was going for like 4 or 5 layers because I was going to keep this wig on for maybe around a week, so I wanted to make sure that everything was nice and secured. So what I'm doing is placing a layer down of glue and then going in with my rat tail comb and thinning the layer out and then repeating the whole process. So after that, when I have all of my layers down and the glue is mostly clear, I will go in with the wig and place the frontal down on that section of glue. So when I was installing this wig, I did notice that there was some rippling in the front of the wig. It's not very noticeable, especially with the lights that I have on, but it's more so noticeable in real life. But that sometimes happens when you have like really thin lace. So if you guys do end up getting a wig from XrsBeauty, I would just say be mindful of how you place the lace onto the glue. Like, you have to be really careful in order to not get ripples, because with lace that is like this high quality and this thin, sometimes, like I said, it is easy to get ripples with that, but thankfully it wasn't that noticeable. So yeah, I'm doing the same thing on each section. I'm placing glue on each section, a couple layers. I'm letting it dry mostly clear, and then I'm applying the lace on top of the glue. So at this point I had cut off all of the excess lace, and then I just put some glue at the edges of the lace where it didn't properly glue down, and then I just pushed it down with my comb, with my rat tail comb. And you guys can kind of see more of the rippling here at this point, but what I'm going to do to minimize the rippling is I'm going to go in with the Ebin hairspray and spray the front of the lace, and then tie everything down with an elastic band after I've parted out my baby hairs, and that's going to kind of help with, you know, the rippling. But yeah. So to do my baby hairs, I use the pink hairspray and also mousse. I started using mousse again because I forgot how good mousse is to like lay your baby hairs and make it like super nice and flat. So that's what I did. I laid my baby hairs with some mousse and then I tied everything down with an elastic band. And then now it's time to lay these flyaways to rest. So I went in with some carrot hair wax stick and put it on my hair, and then went over top that with my hot comb and just hot combed everything in place. I wanted this to be really nice and flat and sleek. This is a 13x6 frontal, and I haven't had a 13x6 frontal in so long, so I was so excited to go ahead and do the middle part with this. And so yeah, everything was looking super good. As you guys can see, the hairline looks bomb. If it wasn't for the rippling, this would be a perfect install, and the parting space is so deep, so I really love that about this wig. So I decided to go ahead and curl my hair because I felt like this was, I don't know, the length. Usually when I do straight hair, I like for my wigs to be really long. And this wasn't as long as I would have liked it to be for me to just wear it like bust down straight middle part. So I decided to go ahead and curl the hair. So before curling, I did cut some slight layers in the front of the wig, and then I did just trim up the ends a little bit so that everything is nice and full. And then yeah, I'm just curling my whole head, and then I'm just gonna brush the curls out with my comb. So at this point, we're pretty much complete. I finished curling the hair and then I combed all of the curls out, and this is what we're looking like. Thank you so much to XRS Beauty for partnering up with me on this video. If you guys liked the video, leave a like, leave some comments down below, and of course subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one.